Let's see how to add eSIM to S25 Ultra. Go to Settings. Tap on Connections. Tap SIM Manager. If your phone already has two SIM cards, turn off one. Now tap on Add eSIM. Tap Scan QR code. Now scan the QR code of the eSIM card. Tap Add. Tap Next. Select Always Ask. Tap Next. Tap Done. Now eSIM has been added to S25 Ultra.